Welcome! If you want to make sure you never miss a message, like, or update from Instagram, enabling pop-up notifications is the way to go. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to get Instagram pop-up notifications working on your mobile device. Let's get started and make sure you're always in the loop. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you control how all your apps behave, including Instagram. Scroll down until you find the section called Apps. Tap on it and you'll see a list of every app installed on your phone. Next, scroll through the list and tap on Instagram. This will take you to Instagram's app info page where you can manage all its settings. Now, look for the option labeled Notifications and tap on it. This is where you can fine-tune exactly how Instagram alerts you. Once you're in the Notifications menu, you'll see a switch or toggle labeled Allow Notifications. Make sure this is turned on. If it's off, Instagram won't be able to send you any alerts, so this step is crucial. Now for the important part, enabling pop-up notifications. Look for an option that says Pop-up or Pop-up Notifications. Tap on it and then select Allowed. This setting ensures that Instagram notifications will appear as pop-ups on your screen, even when you're using other apps or your phone is locked. And that's it. You've just enabled Instagram pop-up notifications on your mobile device. From now on, you'll get instant alerts right on your screen whenever something important happens on Instagram. If you ever want to customize which types of notifications you get, you can always return to these settings and adjust them to your liking. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying connected with all your Instagram updates.